What's up, K-Doc? Yeah, I got the wire yesterday. So hopefully this camera is fixed now. Alright guys, let's get going. Welcome, welcome. Another live session of CPI today. We just had CPI news. Yeah. 4-point long and short, says K-Doc. Yeah guys, we've had CPI. CPI's coming in line. I don't think it was major news. I think a lot of the market participants were expecting inline CPI. Market, yeah, it's going to be a muted response. I don't think it's going to be anything too crazy, because the CPI print that actually is going to make the difference, I think, is going to be the next one. Obviously with the oil spiking above 100 a barrel, so that will be interesting to watch. I think the next CPI will be the one to watch. I think this one is a non-event. Okay, everybody was expecting pretty much the same thing. So the next one is the one I'm watching. That's going to be the one that's going to move the needle. If inflation comes in really high, we've got a big problem on our hands. But between now and the next CPI print, if the war stops, then it could be a one-time increase, a one-time a spillover in CPI, which the following month should you know, reside back down to normal levels. So again, it all depends on when this war is going to stop. Yeah, so that's what we're watching very, very closely. Is this war stopping, and see you know, what spillover effects that can have to force the Fed's hand. I think if the war stops, we've got a better chance of a few cuts. If it doesn't, that could lead to problems with stagflation. Okay, right now Bitcoin is trying to move higher. Really nice move for Bitcoin there. ES still hasn't swept the previous day lows. It did that yesterday, and then this moon mission, and it's looking like it's going to do the same thing again. I do really want to wait for this sweep of this previous day level before I take a long. I think that's going to be a good trade, and then I'm waiting for the range value area low around 650s. There's also another level in between there. I'll have to see how the tape is reacting at that point before I decide to go long on here. But there is a level here as well around 750s. We could get a move higher. Well, I think the best one is going to be a sweep and a long and the range value area low. I think these three are the best spots. I think this is going to be the best spot, obviously, because you know, it's going to be a massive, it'll be a massive move down. But this is second best, and then this would be a third best pivot. We might not get him. We might not get him. The market's looking like it still wants to go higher right now, and possibly retrace the CPI candle. So yeah, I'm not looking to short this market. That's for sure. I'm not looking to short. Because it looks like right now the market is trying to go up and trade back towards that CPI candle. And we are 8 minutes away from the open. And we'll probably get a ripper at the open. Previous day highs is miles above us, so that would be a big move, right? 200 points, but I think the ultimate liquidity level is 250. Yesterday they did attempt to go there, but it fell short. So there is a 250 point move to the upside if the market really wants to rip today. Yeah, just a bit surprising that the market hasn't come down and swept this previous day lows, especially on ES. ES got really close twice now. All these equal lows is just crazy. I'm not liking those equal lows though. Right now the market's just looking like it wants to go higher. 5 minutes away from the open. 25k we're at right now. Yeah, we're clearing the VWAP right now. Pretty easily. Well, not that easy. We've got rejected once off it. But we've cleared it. It looks bullish, man. Looks bullish. Our shorts coming in here, looking like they're going to get squeezed. yeah, so if we don't get this move down, then we're just gonna have to let the market do its thing. I caught a long yesterday from here. If anybody was in smooth stream, I caught this long, rode it up, and yeah, that was a nice one. So if I don't get my pivots, then I'm just gonna have to wait and just stay patient, wait, let the price develop, and then possibly play something. But yeah, I think yesterday I took a trade at the open. I don't think I'm doing that again. I've been, not purposely avoiding it because of Ramadan. I haven't been able to trade the open, and I have seen a massive increase in my win rate. So I think I'm going to be avoiding the open as much as possible, because open is just a coin flip. The market will just, whatever it's just going to do, it's going to go either violently up or violently down. And I think it's very much a coin flip, in all honesty, the open. The only thing I